How to buy Meowtine token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 42 minutes ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, this token trending number 10 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and try to open your fund wallet for that. Click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now click I understand. Now after that, here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token. As you can see, to select the provider, click on pricing. Now click on the provider and select the Jupiter. Click on apply. Now go back, make sure to read all this information here, and you can click on swap to be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Meowtine token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.